All right, so the pandemic book, right? This will help in the pandemic, during the pandemic, and outside of a pandemic. This is the game. This is everything that I'm talking about. This is I ain't gonna say everything that I know or all of my methods, but this is about 95% of the sauce in this book, in this part one and part two together, right? This book was priced at $99.97. I dropped the price. The reason why I dropped the price because I wanted everybody to have access to this, from school kids up until elderly people, rich, poor, or whatever. I want you to know how to repair your credit, build your credit, and structure your credit for the maximum funding. You know what I'm saying? I want you to be able to get business credit, remove anything that may be on your credit report on your own. So if you don't have the money to pay me, because we do charge, because it's time consuming, if you had the time to do it on your own, then that's what you can do, and just purchase this book and you on your way.